always dance and sing. You're captivating me. All I need is to know that I'm in your heart and never be apart. All I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby. I can give you everything you want, everything you want. You are all I need now. It's crazy, but it's true.
Welcome back to the channel. We went to Frugals and everything we got came from there, except for those 2 bottles right there in the middle of the table. You know what time it is. You know what we about to do for Thanksgiving holidays. We about to get lit. We about to turn up and eat good and chill with the family. So you already know what's up. So we're gonna start here. We have 2 things on paper plates that we're gonna use in between time before Thanksgiving. We have plates for those for that occasion. And we have Everfresh. We have 1 apple juice and 3 orange juices. We have a Paradise Punch lemonade and a Southern peach lemonade. We have strawberry colada, watermelon, and we have one of the Winter Spice cranberry sprites. We have mozzarella sticks, the Takis version. We have pecans. We have a rich golden layer cake. We have 2 8-packs of the Hawaiian hot dog rolls, and we have some Smirnoff and some eggnog with alcohol in it already. And that's what's in it right there. If y'all can see that, the bourbon whiskey, the blended whiskey, and the rum and brandy. And this was $11.22, and this was I think around like $17. But we're gonna do the Smirnoff with those daiquiri drinks right there. What's going on, crew? Welcome back to the channel. We have a small Walmart haul for you guys. We went to Walmart to get a couple of last few items that we needed for prepping today, and the other stuff is just whenever we want it. That way we ain't got to go back to Walmart anytime soon. So we're going to start over here. We got some powdered sugar, and the queen also bought some Hershey cocoa, and she's making some chocolate icing with that. We have 2 things of the frozen hash browns because Walmart really haven't been having them, so we seen them today. And they actually went up to almost $3, so it was $2.74 when they used to be around $1 and something. So everything's going up. We got a bag of sour cream and onion chips for the little one, and the queen also got a bag of cheddar and sour cream, and she got cake batter flavored, some whipped cream cheese icing, and a strawberry supreme Duck and Heinz cake. And she's gonna make this for me. And also we got $20 worth of medium-sized shrimp because we're gonna have fried shrimps for lunch today. And we got a chicken broth just in case we need this because we're gonna prepare our dressing and we're gonna put it in the refrigerator. You know, it's kind of hardened up once you put it in the refrigerator, so we're gonna use that. So when we take it out Thursday to bake it, we'll have that just in case we need that. We got another bag of mild cheddar cheese for the macaroni and cheese. We got 2 original Slim Jims, a pack of the peanut M&Ms. Sorry about that. And the queen had 2 York peppermint patties, but she didn't ate one of them, so it's just 1 there. And she got a thing, Tropicanical original orange juice. We got a thing of celery for the turkey and the dressing and stuff today that we're gonna make. And I'm gonna also make some turkey broth, so that's what the celery is for. And the queen needed some more baby oil, so she got that. And baby boy needed some more soap for his face. Guys, thank you for loving on us and supporting us. Give this video a thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you comment on the videos. Make sure you click the bell and set post notifications to all. And we'll see y'all in the next video. We out. Peace.